Grok AI is no longer free, and a lot of creators are stuck right now because finding powerful AI tools that don't cost money, that's the real struggle. So I went deep into research and I found 5 powerful AI tools you can start using for free. And everything you're seeing in this video was created using these tools. Let's get into it.
The first AI tool we are going to be looking at free for our video generation or image generation. If you want to use it for any of these, you can even use it for your ideation, that is to get your prompt, is Arena AI. So go ahead and type in Arena AI, and this is the interface that gives you access to choose any of the models. All the models are there, so you can go ahead and select any one of your choice to use for this of course, for your video generation. Then once you finish, copy your prompt and paste. Now look at the generation. Now this AI actually gives you 2 options where you have to select the one that best fits in with what you are trying to achieve. So I love this Arena AI because it actually gives us options, options to generate something, and then have options to select the one that best suits with what you are looking for. Remember, AI will always be AI, and of course the output is perfect. So this is the output of this particular AI. It gives perfect output, and I actually love it. So at the end of it all, select the one that you like. After seeing the output, then take it to your CapCut, generate all your scenes using this. This is free, and it gives you clear and realistic images and everything. Consistency is there, and the lip sync. All right, so go ahead and compile it into your CapCut, your editing platform, and boom, you have your video ready. Then the second AI tool, free AI tool I want to share with you is Meta AI. Meta AI allows you to also create images and videos, and even generate a script also. So go ahead and use it. Copy your prompt and paste it, and you have your boom. Then the next AI tool free that we're going to be looking at is a Pixverse. This Pixverse enables you to also create images. So the next you just have to sign up and log into the platform, and of course you start. You have this interface that allows you to paste your prompt, and of course once you sign up, you continue with it, and it locks you in automatically, and you have this interface. Remember, you also have free credit where you can generate as many as possible, so you can go ahead and utilize it. You have all the options available for your images, videos, and all of that. Copy your prompt and use the credit, set your orientation, set on things on, and everything you're set to go. They go ahead and generate your image. You'll realize that it will also give you images that are so realistic and perfect, and the lip sync is amazing. The next one we are going to be looking at is my favorite. I actually love this one because it gives us some realistic. It's so beautiful. I love the production and the outcome of this. Okay, that is the Flow AI. Yes, Flow AI. Flow AI gives you the chances to also, generate all of this. So what you need to do is just to sign up to the platform, log into the interface, just like you're seeing right here, and you're good to go. You have access to no banana AI tool to use for your image generation and video generation, and you also have access to set it to aspect ratio of your choice, and you have the choice to bring in your images. If you want to bring in images, anything you want to do with it, you have it, and you also have free credit. Paste your prompt, and then let's see, boom, you have your image generation. Guys, this is not hard as you were thinking. Last but not the least, all these AI tools are free, absolutely free. So go ahead and try and keep generating videos. Part of this AI is if you have a YouTube app in your phone, you have access to that AI. Guys, are you excited? Head over to your YouTube app, mobile app. Guys, I know that a lot of people don't know that this YouTube can actually, YouTube has an AI. All of you are looking for free AI too, and you're ignoring YouTube AI. This YouTube AI gives you unlimited generation, no credit needed, no watermark, nothing. Everything is inbuilt and ready for you. You can upload your video. Let me show you how you can go about it. Just go ahead and create this short. Just plus this plus button. Once you click this plus button, it's going to bring up an interface, right? So go ahead and click this icon that you see on top of the screen. That's like that AI, YouTube has an AI, right? But a lot of it knows how to use it for maybe summarizing your videos, but you don't know that you can actually use it to create videos and even images. Guys, let me take you around. So now you look at the interface here, we have the AI playground. When you have the AI playground, you have create video, we have make me move, we have photo to video. Okay, we have images, that is to create your images, we have background, we have music. So you have everything built here for you, how it is being used. So first you want to use the template here. You're going to go ahead and put, let's just pick any one and set an example, so you can go ahead and try as many as you want. Remember, this is unlimited. You cannot exhaust this one, so no need to be scared or anything. So if you are building on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and other platform that requires 9:16 aspect ratio, go ahead. So let's see how this one looks like. Look at the prompt. Once you select anyone, the prompt is going to come up like this. They make it look like me and my friends are in the 90s sitcom intro inside the house. Keep everyone's likeness exactly. So now look at the top here. The top says create video. Only use photos of others with their permission. So if you have permission to use their photo, go ahead and click this plus button. This is my picture, right? So let's go ahead and send it. The speed. You are not gonna believe what happened. Wow, guys. Get over here. You gotta see this. Beautiful. Did you see that, guys? You are not gonna believe what happened. Are you seeing the smoothness? The beauty of it is top notch. So over here. You gotta see this. I love it. So go ahead and click this. Click this download button and download it if you're okay with it. If you want to save it into your phone so that you can use it on another platform, right? You click download it, see it has been downloaded and saved to your camera roll. This is beautiful. Or you can click next if you want to publish it right away. You can literally create an image, okay? By clicking that image session, try something like cute panda drinking coffee a forest. So describe what you would like to create. Okay, you can, this one is try something like clothes. Okay, cute clothes roller skirting through a neon. Okay, this one is okay. So let's try this cute panda drinking a coffee, right? So you can, say you should choose your style. So the style. Okay, you can select any of these styles. So let's use this
So
style
guys, go
here.
ahead and try all of these AI
This is
tools and let me know in the comment section which
save
one
it
you'll
to
be
your
trying
to
next.
your
Okay,
device,
now
or you
this
can
is just
create
for
a
me to
video
bring
from
it to your
here.
notice that you can
Now
use
from
YouTube
here,
AI to create amazing stuff like you're seeing here. You can copy your
wow,
prompt, you can
guys,
create
beautiful.
images, can turn those images to videos, and you can even create generate your own prompt and create your own video. If you want a detailed video step by step, let me know in the comment section. And until then, see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment and share.
And it is like the whole world is finally starting to fall right into place just the way I wanted it to. Oh, it is raining. I suppose I should have expected this change in the weather today, but at least I have my umbrella to keep me dry.
You are not gonna believe what happened. Get over here. You gotta see this.